I'm Jessica from the happiest blog on earth. To get all the Disneyland details, start at my website, thehappiestblogonearth.com. Before you buy your discount Disneyland tickets, head to the Disneyland website to check theme park availability. I like to go to disneyland.com, tap My Disneyland to log in, and then view availability by tapping Tickets and Reservation Details. Closer to the top of your screen, you'll see View Current Availability for Theme Park Reservations. The calendar shows which dates are open for reservations. The pink castle in view means Disneyland Park is available for that day. The Mickey icon means Disney California Adventure Park is available that day. If one or both are grayed out, it means there is no current availability, or those dates haven't been released yet. In a new tab, tap the link for discount tickets from the happiest blog on earth. This will take you to my ticket partners at Getaway Today. They've been a Disneyland ticket partner since the 1990s. Purchase the ticket type you want, and it will be in your inbox within minutes. Go back to My Disneyland and tap on Tickets and Reservation Details if you're not already there in the other tab. This time, tap Make Park Reservations. Then tap Book Theme Park Reservations. If you're staying at a Disney-owned hotel, select the lower button, Retrieve Hotel Reservation, instead. Now select which tickets you're making reservations for. If you have multiple members in your party, you can check them all off and complete this step in one motion. Once you check the boxes and hit continue, you'll be taken to the calendar selection to officially secure your dates. Tap all day to confirm. Even if you're park hopping, it still says all day, but park hopping is permitted. Check your email and keep the last confirmation page open until you spot your email. After that, you're good to go and your Disneyland theme park reservations are secure. Follow at Disneyland Plan for more Disneyland theme park tips, as well as visit thehappiestblogonearth.com.